Hi guys and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new blog post 24. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the set theory. Basically, it's a foundational blog for the set theory. And in coming blogs, I'm going to discuss in detail about the set theory. And in the end of these blogs, I will discuss like how set theory is going to be utilized with respect to databases. So let's start. So first thing I really would like to give you a concept about the set theory. So basically, when I talk about set is basically a collection of distinct objects or distinct elements. These elements or objects that make up a set can be any kind of things like people, letters of alphabet, numbers, point in space, lines, other geometrical shapes, variables, or even other sets. So this is a basic concept about the set and the objects that are related to the set. Common example in the natural world, we can take it as like a fruit basket. Like if there is a fruit basket F, so it may contain various fruits. For example, apple, orange, and grape. Another example is like I would like to see employees from my HR department. Like there is a set which contains employees of various departments, but I only would like to see that employees from the HR department. For example, HR, the set contains Alice, Bob's, and Alice, Bob, and Rameen. Uh, so when I was actually defining the set, I also informed you like uh, it may also contain other set. A set may also contain other set. So it also means like a set may also contain not emptiness as well. So when I talk about the emptiness of the set, that is also possible. Like there is no member in the set, and emptiness is actually the member of that set. So when I talk about an empty basket, it means the basket is empty. There is nothing in the basket as a member. So emptiness is the member of that basket. So this is the basic natural word examples of the set. Let's move towards more mathematical form of the set for defining the set. So if I say like I have a set A and it has various members M, how can I actually write that? So I will simply write A or the set name equals to, and I will actually write down the members enclosed in the curly braces. So whenever I will pick any element from that certain set, I will say like uh, that member actually belongs to A. So MI stands for any member, which is actually in this set. This E it means belongs to the set A. So this is the basic equation of of the set and the related members, which are related to the uh, set. So it is actually a fundamental relation uh, of the set and the related uh, objects or the objects that are residing in the set. So this is the basic concept about the set. I hope so you have understood the concept. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel, YasirFazal. Please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you should get the latest updated videos as soon as they are uploaded. And as always, please spread the knowledge.